How to change background color in Word on mobile. So if you want to change background color in Word on mobile, then first you need to open up your Word application. Once you open up your Word, now you can simply go with an existing document or you can go with a new one. So go with the plus, which is on the upper right, and tap on blank document. And now you just need to resize your document. Once you've resized, now go with the bottom right arrow, tap on that arrow, go with the home option, tap on insert, and then tap on pictures or shapes. On the shapes, you need to go with any shape, so I'll be choosing a square shape. Once you've chosen a shape, now you need to fit the document and then you need to fit the shape. And once you fit it, now you just need to simply go with the fill option. Under fill, you need to choose other colors. So go with the arrow and then you can choose another color. And that's it. That's how you can add a document. And now you can write something on your document and that's it. That's how you can change the background color of your Word document on your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.